Your DNA can tell you a lot more than just your family history. It can also unlock the secrets to achieving a fitter, healthier you by helping you understand your body's unique fitness and nutritional needs. Dynamic DNA's fitness and nutrition test is quick and easy to use. Simply swab your cheek and send it in. A couple weeks later, you'll receive a comprehensive, personalized report on 60 fitness and nutrition DNA traits. Learn what exercises your body will respond best to, the optimal diet for losing weight, what foods you should avoid, and so much more. Your report will help you develop a diet and workout routine that's personalized to you and will actually work. Discover yourself with Dynamic DNA.